Thinking correctly about these 10 rules, you will be extremely successful when building a TikTok channel. Don't skip this video if you don't know where to start. 1. Decide on the target audience for the video. Once you've decided which audience you should target, you can start thinking about the types of videos they'll be interested in. If you want to create trending viral videos, you need to understand the types of videos relevant people like to watch. While you obviously won't make all your videos about the same topic, you do want to have an overarching theme or main theme for your videos, one that makes people decide they want to watch more. What you create. 2. TikTok video posting timeframe. There are 4 golden hours during the day. You should take advantage of them to attract more views, comments and interactions. Thanks to that, your video will be posted to the TikTok trend. The time frames are as follows. From 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. This time frame people start to wake up, prepare, eat breakfast and surf TikTok to watch news. From 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. This time people take a lunch break and want to watch TikTok to relax, so the number of TikTok online users at this time is quite large. From 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. This is dinner time, but users will also surf a few rounds of TikTok, sometimes eating and watching TikTok at the same time. From 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. This is the time when TikTok night owls are most active, so if you want to advertise or introduce product, this is the most appropriate time frame. 3. Post at least once a day. TikTok expects successful creators to post regularly. The best TikTok accounts release videos multiple times per day. That level of production can be difficult for one person without affecting quantity, but ideally, you should upload a new video every day of the week. In case of a brand, the more content you create, the more likely you are to find something that fits today's viral craze. Just make sure all your videos are relevant to your followers and target audience. 4. Ensure high-quality video. If you want a trending video, you need to make sure you're sharing high-quality footage. You should film in high definition, hold your phone steady, use a tripod if necessary. Consider using an external microphone if recorded audio is necessary. You also need to think about the topic of your video. It needs to interest and attract people. 5. Use your own sounds. TikTok makes it incredibly easy to add music to 15-second video clips, having made legal agreements with most major music companies to allow the use of copyrighted music excerpts. You can easily add famous music tracks to your videos from within the app during the filming phase, or later when editing your video. There are fewer music options for videos longer than 60 seconds, but you can still use music excerpts. 6. Video tells an engaging story. If you are more likely to go viral by telling an interesting and engaging story. The story can be anything. It could be something interesting that happened in your life, something random that happened in your day, a project you did, anything. 7. Share tips, advice, favorites. People also love learning on TikTok, so if you have expertise on a topic, create an informational video to help people learn more about it. Quick bullet point videos work well for these, with on-screen text guiding users through mini lessons. Likewise, people love shopping on TikTok, so sharing favorite products is also a surprisingly easy way to gain traction and make money. 8. Always have a strong call to action. One of the most important things that not only helps your video go viral but also helps you increase your followers. When TikTok sees more people commenting, liking, or following a video, they will naturally push that video to more people. 9. Leave some questions unanswered. This is the key to getting comments, which will help you go viral on TikTok. If you're posting a video and you can think of an obvious question that people will have, this will lead to a lot of comments and help your video perform well. 10. There is text on the opening video frame. By starting your video with text on the first slide, viewers in the FYP will likely spend a few seconds reading this and thus naturally and stay on the video for a few seconds longer than a video without text. Copy. Not only is this good for average watch time in the algorithm, but you're also more likely to retain some of these viewers if you have a compelling story. There will be a lot of tricks, but the mindset to green the channel is indispensable, so you should invest more in brainpower to be successful in the process of building a TikTok channel. If you find it interesting, please like and subscribe to my channel. CA.